नमस्कार विद्यार्थ्यांनो, स्वागत आहे तुमचे. आजचा आपला विषय आहे इंग्रजी इयत्ता 7वी 1.4 जर्नी टू द वेस्ट. आज आपण या पाठाचा पार्ट 2 पाहणार आहोत. नाऊ दीज 3 कॅरेक्टर्स आर नो सेंट्स. इन फॅक्ट दो they all have supernatural powers. They are known troublemakers. So the gods have thrown them out of heaven. However, the kind deity Vanian has offered each of them one more chance. If you help the holy monk in his pilgrim to India, if you use your powers for this good work, then you may return to heaven. That is why the 3 characters have agreed to be Yuan Shuang's disciples and to help Yuan Shuang in his difficult journey. And sure enough, they have many thrilling, exciting, and sometimes humorous adventures on the way to the Holy Land India. The most powerful among the 3 disciples is Sun Wukong. Everything about him is extraordinary. He was born when winds blew over a huge stone egg on the flower fruit mountain. He is able to transform himself in 72 different ways. Not only that, but he can also transform each of his hair strands into any living or non-living thing of his choice. His as you wish gold-banded cudgel is also magical. It can grow as big as a pillar supporting the sky, but at other times it becomes as tiny as a needle. Then the Monkey King just tucks it away behind his ear. Sun Wukong can travel thousands of kilometers in just one somersault. He can walk through fire, travel underwater, and fly to any place at will. His body is as hard as a diamond, so no one and nothing can injure him. His golden gaze fiery eyes have X-ray vision. No one can deceive him. Sun Wukong is brave and intelligent, but he is also a trickster. He loves to have fun, and some of his superpowers help him to just that. He has a vase which can suck in anything or anyone. He can simply point at a lock and open it. He is very quick and can grow very big and very tiny at a blink. You can imagine how he must have teased his enemies using these tricks. If you want to read about the adventures that Sun Wukong and his companions had on the way, you will find the stories in the English translation of Journey to the West. Some of the stories have also been turned into films. What would you like better, to read the historical account of Yuan Shuang travels, or to read the fantastic stories of Sun Wukong? Maybe you should read both to find out what you like better. Happy reading!